You are most welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Hotbox 237, the one and only chubby princess, the girl with bring on the latest vibe for our community. Yes, my people, I want to use this opportunity for thank una, for welcome una, for una love and support. We want to support this fight today, my lovely people. I want to take this opportunity for thank una so very much, and I want also thank the people that also support me for promote Tete Organic Skincare, our one and only skin plug. Tete, it can only be Tete. Yes, a girl where it do organic product where it treat your skin, all skin type. It treat your skin, then it bleach, it nourish your skin. Yes, that's what Tete Organic Skincare Day. So I thank you all promote up. I will get a small problem for shipment. I want your back when I'm gonna take a lot of patience, but I know say that problem will be rectified. We just now short of problems. Our demand over high past our supply. So our back when I'm gonna try in as much as possible for be patient, my people. Yes, my people, a lot of things they play for social media. I want to I'll be live on Sunday, and I can't address this situation for Queen Mother and the rest. When I don't hear one or two things about Dopesi show, and a lot of things they play for community, I can't for try for put my own mop for the video before make I will talk a lot of things concerning Karine, but I don't put the video down. I don't upload the video again because at the year for Queen, as it talk say it get reason why we talk say Karine go for granddad that show now because of one thing. But they don't tell travel Karine I say waiting. You know if you the tea are white clothes, you wash them, then you come back again, go for poto. Otherwise, you know if you take white clothes where they all wash out you all the javet clean. The pest they play but poto be there, they help you move for that poto place, they wash their white clothes clean. You still go back again for that poto say why don't go cash cruise. You cannot be positive and at the same time be negative. I join you that way, Dope Sarah talk. Now I leave you for today. I not talk to our talk. But when days that go, I will talk to our talk. I'll get show on Sunday, 9 o'clock Eastern time, America Eastern time. And I can't talk for the mama the America. I know we ever can fight with whom and where the America with me. Except you do something where you need me for address you. Except you find me. I don't find man. You find me, I get about the PU. I be Hotbox. Man know me. Now I tell you so that I will find my information. If you don't know me, I let you find I'm a lovely soul, right? Yes. Me, I know myself, you cannot talk. I'm a lovely soul. If my mommy for America, when they find me, when I go get me, and no man of you win me for court, I swear to God. No man. You use their money, but God go fight with me because God know my heart. God knows I don't fight a just something. I don't fight the fight with all my soul, with my heart. I don't fight our emotion. Yes, my people. This my Texas mommy, them information don't reach me from my table. Wait till the bachelor. Let me say, wait till the bachelor don't hold una give that amount of money. How una? How? My people, a lot of things they play. Dope person be there live should be plenty today. The dope person we go tired be there show. I will not talk for my channel say. No, I was surprised one day when I was see dope person other Tyra under dope person, all the kind of things I be the show. When they talk. When I be play because sometimes it be with the exchange word with the query man and say you head man, you head not to the person they do right. I get for the address for you. I get for address Tyra, address CV mention first. Tyra go live show say they apologize to CV mention. He make a point. He use he apology for me. I know why CV mention the vex. And this CV the vex now because Tyra defend why he caused CV mention. Tyra, you enter this saga. You don't be know this saga start. You come, they welcome you. You don't be know how this, you don't know how this saga be start. You start address at this CV mention because now mommy Buja you will be attached to mommy Buja Benjamin. You know you belong to any camp. By that time, no get camp. You know, be attached. You just be attached to Buja Benjamin. You are not in any camp. You know, you are not used to with me. You know, be used to Treaty Center or Joyce Bunde. No, you be just camp for your own. You know, you enter social media 1 month before I enter. You know, go to camp social media. You sit with the other social media. You understand them. You just come. You just start to talk side the coach people them do all kind of things. You can't advise civic come up for saga. You know the genesis of the saga. You start coach if you mention, even though you can't lie say that you start coach if you mention because of it be all coach, it coach diversella. That way diversella. So now sorry. He say coach diverse, it coach if you mention na time where he say and say CV mention they do it the coach the vessel like pick you start coach CV mention before the vessel was born and you come apologize you come you use you quote your apology you defend your apology your voice I don't know why your voice or on wait you talk with so a bonus and you justify your apology. Some people they take and forgive you. Don't all man go forgive you that way. Now why I get that CV mention they still vex to you now because of their tone we use and talk and the way you justify yourself why you caution. Because you don't know the beginning of this saga. You know nothing about this saga. Now that you say so you come to something that you zeng zeng. If you don't study this saga, you will know who be right and who be wrong. People they lie, people they talk. You don't talk. The don't talk say you don't tell life on social media. You don't talk say you don't tell life on social media. That means say una see. Now the fiction on the frame story people they lie. Anyhow, I'll beg mommy CV mention na say if you should not down you feel we are not God because I feel remember say see why international no be go for Tyra in the occasion because say if you want to make Tyra bring down a video and apologize for a family and I believe say Tyra don't apologize for don't do it to see why international be talk because even time see why we got talk so Tyra be still coach see why international yes I want beg you until CV I don't know but I just try for talk my own and say if you should not you reason your small sister own your petit say anyhow you want be if na your age mate you should not you forgive it. Any man be not be above mistake. Me I swear all we don't get fault them for social media. We don't hurt one or two people them for social media. But if the person can't stand to say be sorry for you until CV, if you were able to don't hurt a lot of people, but if the person can't stand to say be sorry, I tell you until CV, forgive it. Because God said will forgive person 77 times 77. If you come the apology na fake, did life this so you go show it go turn life that means it go turn pregnancy near the height. Yes, I don't address that one. I want to address again this matter where they talk with Tyra say make Tyra bring a drone. Tyra will come up for a camp. It be stock a lot of things. It be convince population. It tell population say now mommy Bridget Benjamin with Lizzie London and Fanny Elongo they be bringing the pay say make the cosh people. If you use that motive, it convince the Cameroonian population they believe in it. They say why the old woman they send this small picking them, but they can't fight. Now they keep talk. So why the old man they send this small picking and not send their own picking them, but they can't fight the fight. They go send the picking, they pay them small dollars them, but they can't fight the fight. It convince that people they believe it. Tyra, what ask you for here? You get before you apologize, you get to answer with the question. So mommy Bridget Benjamin they be pay you may go cosh. If you never answer that question, we don't need a yes or no, no need any justification. Because that same way, when we make a population get you back, that's already tell the population back say nobody send you to abuse somebody. Now your own self use for make your population call your views them. Now your own way use for take and convince the population for lie to the woman they send you make a cost because if you don't get one or two calls already woman you bring out the calls them, you bring out the record the time they call you, people they believe it truly. Sometimes Lizzie London be use me go fight people, they may fight Pepe them hack or fight Brenda Show. Now that people be believe for you say that this woman they be send you make cost. So if you answer with that question, you justify that whether you see people will forgive you for that one because you make a lot of you pay a lot of people them black, so they pay you money, may go cost people them. This situation there for America now they get an authority. Our American mommy they go yes say that friend get money. If you say Mr. A get money, you be my friend from Mr. A. You know Mr. A bad secret. You go carry and go get on the Tibet. The Tibet go use and that's how blackmail that woman. When I hear the Tibet mob say carry, we don't get a lot of information the way it use and the blackmail that woman them. Some people they on that platform now so they like them. Now because they under blackmail. That will be the tell now say they see the blackmail people on they deny. A lot of information don't enter me for the America. When people don't say hot box the America, they talk about American system. They mommy they be claims they be threatening me. Me I be hot box. I be okbontio. I be okpo. I don't tell you say una cash me no. Una hold me for my underbit talks. Una drag me for my pants. Some say una slap me for my bang neck. I fall for that and I sleep low. Because all the coach they do not they threat with the fried rice. Because God knows that the fight with my pure heart. I don't care for any motive, anything for my heart. How much you to the pay? How much? How much you to the pay me? Now the America they pay now in dollars. How much you to the pay? People don't monetize them. I get a lot of things to do. But God know why He sent me for social media. But forget about that one. This particular one they call him Miss J. Miss J become social media be support people there. Support Miss J, one of our American sister, our grandson, one of my petit say, one of my age mates. And if you know, because this is the America, the Western world now. So if you smile all pass you, all man the run age, you get as the play. You understand? He come can if be flat mama come on, I be first or start coach me. He can lie say me I can borrow him money. He say me I can borrow him money, pay my lawyer. But I can't tell whether I don't come up for my details. I don't finish my case. I don't finish my case since. Now I start coach Mexico, pay my coach me. Takes a borrow money. Now that's not as a person like Miss J. It makes my fool I say hot book say don't buy, you don't borrow money. I laugh because people be know me, knows I don't like me debt. Now America they put for people out there because we have big people that credit. When I understand Miss J now because now Miss J they come out now because I was not under that fake profile. When I the type, they never catch your own fake profile. They never catch you for their own fake profile. When I the type, when I feel free the coach. They never catch you. My don't catch you fake profile. You feel the pain, Miss J. How they drag your family, drag your pikin, they drag your sister, when they die safe. They bring up social media. You feel the pain. Now you can't apologize today. If you never move, fish you out for that fake profile, you don't know the pain of it. So that if you can't apologize, you go create another new fake profile. You know the disadvantages of it. You don't understand. So Miss J come out. He can't say be very sorry for people the way it don't hurt them. Say even though people don't hurt it, no man ever hurt you. They simply giving her the pinch of weight where you will give for community. They accept your apology, but they're not going to defend them, say because they apologize, but they apologize for you back. Because man, me in particular, I don't ever do anything. I don't even know you in person until when you fight because come out say you be Miss J. For me, I don't know anything for my American sister them. No, now they be saving my Mexico for the work of road. They're like families. You define me before I define you, and when you find me, I zeng with you because my face is for camera. One man come out ready. So if you find me there behind fake people, when I discover fake people, that I go feel them. When I see the Ellis Gunner, when they go attach it now on the classy. On the classy now a strong ground when you get your own fake account. Now because you never discover your own fake account, now that you cry now you get that Ellis Gunner. But God punish you now punish that on the class. Now why that they attach you on Ellis Gunner say now you. You're there for don't really come for can grant you, for can pay you. Because don't cause a lot of pain and depression for people for that platform. When I see how they cry for community, how they talk for community, how they curse them, how they don't go through a lot for their marital homes them. When I get all that depression for them, simply because you're under blackmail, you want to make people destroy them, you want to destroy home them. No matter because we go to that worst thing where they take and blackmail you for today. No matter be saying me go to that bad way they shall know today for they can blackmail you. You know go to tell your very situation for depress other people them. No. So Miss J, me in particular, I forgive you. You be my American sister. I forgive you as well. I forgive you. Me and no talks. I apologize to you because I not do nothing. They give you back and they pinch of what you cause of the community. And I thank them. I like when I both people not to come. I beg watch just beg when I say wait. Some people them when they do for online, when they do it, they work as support. They under keyboard them. I want to tell them someone understand social media street. A lot of things they play. Man go for the point for Karin. I don't put some particular video. I don't bring another because of Dope Sierra. It make a man understand so it. Karin be go for Israel player because say he know say he be talk about me with Benjamin. But me Karin I look you. Karin, if I want to talk me more, if you not be greedy, you go free yourself. If you get different motive, you go be exposed. If you not be greedy, you go free yourself. If you not get another motive, you go be exposed. If you get another motive, you go be exposed. Grace Karin, you know what I talk. Grace Karin, you want just free yourself, or you want use this opportunity for make money for YouTube, or you want just free yourself totally. You make a more understand because you go war. For me, for bring something them about you. And they threaten you. I be who? I be just hotbox. Grace, you know what's up. You know, if you talk to you, carry your white clothes, go put her back on the tea. Me they come, me go suck that white clothes, give her back on the tea, bring her back for we again, more try for wash them. No. That will be so we can clean the community. But say, as we clean now, we the crack dirty the choya for day. That's what I be talk. So now the crack dirty the choya for them more daily worker. But now we don't clean that dirty, that don't crack as stay clean. You need to carry go back. No, Grace. All my positive bloggers on a wise. Una chew una word them. What I talk? Una use una HQ. And then use number 6 again. Because number 6 went wrong. No version they talk number 6 is number 6 na a banger. We no sense they go there. Concerning Brenda show. The way I see Brenda show na so Brenda show what be greedy as well. Brenda show the makes us small hippo. Brenda show I use the version a blow. You are be greedy with information. They don't call it Becky. He put emotion for day. You know one drags of people they don't call it. Plenty people don't call you Brenda Show. Becky may not bring information on them. Now what I don't want to attend, you know the camp for positive side or side and I good information them because of it. Now you want handle your social over your platform. You are use the Veshela blow. You are use that information, but I'll tell you for say Brenda Show na 70. If you get information, you talk you are in the suite. Now what I would call ourselves a big five, join team for clean the community. If you get information, you talk to information, you talk be go analyze of your own way you find. You go analyze your own for the own way you find. Now what I call yourself the general overseer. They all analyze, I know the way you analyze them. I know the very pain the person go feel them. Because if you want really save the community, you go dig to the root. You go dig to the root, you move other people where they cause it in them. Because tomorrow if you don't dig move them, the vessel don't ever come down. Because if we not dig move them, that people will see find the vessel again. Because you don't talk to the channel and that people give the vessel information for go talk them. But if we not fear the fuel, we not dig it move them, that people will control for fuel. And 20 version they try for do, it use the advertisement, they map this name, get up with them. When you does maybe map influencer, you don't talk bad against him. Now that any man will come for Brenda Show, he platform, he hold that person for canas. He hold that person for black hat. Any man will come for Brenda Show, the version know how you good heart. He never digest you well. So the version use him map thing now because he don't know the caution go no and go make that right up now talk say if you can bring any caution or be against the version because that few chicken change they give the version ain't gonna better because you did tight for back you left the only for back make they gather money for the way to give me go bury your papa a first child are you how shameful are you are very shameful all that thing when I do as on a pretend. And for you, Blimbangs, no things they will not forget about you. I sorry you because I see for Mado is show where Mado for Dubai, you really pale. You really pale. No, I work. Forget about that. So they say, no, I don't get my good job. They pay me good. Now work the makeup. All that lies. You be there under depression. And I'll be very sorry for you to be under depression. I'm sorry, Ben, your life will be where you make them. You come out the cosh, mommy, they don't know. Inherit the same way that I be inherit the Tibet people, and the same way we inherit them. Anything the Tibet kosh, any man the Tibet kosh, the canker kosher. As soon as so close all leak for your skin, so you don't black instead. So wait till they try for do. Just free yourself out of this mess. How much did they pay you? How many dollars did they pay you when you can't stand kosh people? They don't even sleep for your house. You see that work. Which work? You walk past with for America, eh? If you should not work 18 hours, if you work 24 hours for one day, which work? Why all people in America they work 24 hours? How many hours they cut down? Now you will go work for 8 hours to cut down. But if you not change the way to do we'll still remind you for your youth. We go, that's why we'll put them back for you. You don't get to feel free because they say your hair doesn't come off for your skin. You don't get to feel free. You don't get to feel free. Then my end this show will talk about Tyra. When they say Tyra bring drone. Tyra be there for our side. Tyra not be knowing nothing about we. Even about it, some few women they can contact them because they be see what they be do and if it's a good thing, they go contact him. Now Tyra get drone. Tyra is drone. My main intention that Tyra is drone where if they give information concerning Pepe. Concerning Pepe. That time for that Pepe that thing will be intervene. Tyra get that drone and Tyra go know one or two things the way they play. Tyra not know so they play for the version like Cam. Tyra not know. If you get an only idea, but you don't know the detail. People don't have to focus na Karin and for Brenda. And if Brenda and Karin, they don't want to talk them, we will talk after we. The same way, play with them together that they put for you. Now we will fight for for you. And the same way we will go fight together, we will move the same news. Now we will go move them. I be hot box. I don't get duplicate. I did dig information for all means. I don't tell you now. My American mommy, they wanna look out. They not threaten me. Me, una no fit. They never born that dog. Let me say, they never born the dog. We could threaten me. Una go try, una go fail. They never born una. Una ask me fine. Una ask me well. I no get money but una ask me. I don't know una ask me. I go fight una the last drop of my blood. With the last drop. Una go hear ram for una kanda. The one una dey for Ghana, when the Ghana, it is for Ghana, so no, you never hear happen no. The way you come, you be alarming. When I say I get wish no, una go say the real witch. I be Ogbonto of them all. I be Okpo. I be Beshkele. I be Beshkele. Queen Mother, be my guest on Sunday. I will trash you out. I put some sense for your head because you overdore. You overdore. I thank you so very much for watching me up to this time. Miss when I get my back. One love for all my genuine subscribers. People that love me genuinely. I thank you so very much.